Hello, morning all. Right, so welcome back to Morning Cuppa. Okay, so for the S&P 500, well, it ticked higher last Wednesday in the shortened session, extended, and also it extended its record run on extremely thin or low volume as the Christmas rally continued without any selling pressure on last Wednesday. So there were no economic headlines. I think the move was purely driven by momentum and volume. Um, Also from yesterday, Tuesday's soft PCE data. So with that, consumer discretionary stocks staying firm as investors bet on the strong finish to the um, holiday shopping season. So market at close yesterday for Christmas. Expect trading um to remain quiet and choppy when markets reopen today, as many participants bridge the gap to the weekend, right? Right, so for the China E50, while the SGX futures were closed for Christmas, the Shanghai Composite rose, I think, around 0.5% on Thursday, right, driven by the news property easing measure from Beijing, which boosted insurers like, if I'm not mistaken, Ping An. Uh, so sentiment was further supported by the rally in Foxconn and those AI companies, as well as domestic players uh, play catch up to Wall Street, record close on Wednesday, and expect these A50 futures to gap up at open on today's trading session. So I think now it is aiming for the 15,500 key resistance level right now. Right, for the WTI futures, well, it drifted. I wouldn't say it drifted, but more like sideways, consolidating to close at 58 uh, 40 cent level on Wednesday due to profit taking way down by the recent bearish data, which signal that the US supply is raising um, faster than the demand, meaning that if we were to translate into charts, right, or we were to visualize it, I think most likely the charts will resort to consolidation. Um, Geopolitical tension also remain high with the US Navy pursuing the third Venezuelan tanker. But I think this worries was offset by the emerging headlines about the potential Russia and Ukraine ceasefire plan, leaving the price to start right here. So market was closed yesterday for Christmas. I think do expect for the uh, a less choppy uh, trading session for today on Friday, right? As the lack of official data will leave traders hanging. So for now, negative bias still unchanged. Looking at the 55 US dollar and also the 53 US dollar spot. Going back to our Malaysia local market. Right, so if you look at the this KLCI will climb to the 16-month high and to close at 1678.31 on Wednesday's session, as the fund shifted their window dressing target from banks to some of the plantation names, right? And also we got here uh, gas, Petronas gas, right? So for the FKLI, futures really, I would say harder than the spot market, closing at premium around 1683.5 points, uh, uh, signaling that the traders are still betting on a strong push towards the 1700 level next week. So I think at this juncture, if you're trading for this FKLI, market is still positive. We are aiming for the 1,007 level, um, riding on the uh, positive prospect for the market right now. Yeah, I think yesterday market was close. I expect quiet activity for today. Range bound trading when market open on Friday, and I think support is firmly located at 1650, followed by 1630 points level. Right, so this is our watch list for today. Since we are looking at some around sector around construction, property, and also uh yeah. So this is the stock that is related to construction property as well. Together with the engineering, we got Aiman Holdings, Solarvest, Gamuda, uh, Binastra, Masing. Right. So for our trading stocks for today, we got Binastra. So the stock has breakout above this touring at 15 cent on strong volume, and with that we expect the momentum to remain bullish, and the stock able to climb further to test the next resistance at touring at 30 cent, followed by touring at 45 cent. And if the stock to clear below touring support, this could shift the bearish structure. And also next we have MN Holdings. The the stock experienced a breakout as well at 1.65 cent level. So if the stock to remain bullish, we expect that the price to propel or to hit the 1.75 cent. And second resistance is at 1.85 cent. Do watch out for the 1.55 cent level for any attempt of reversal. Right. Lastly, for the FCPO, well, it closed flat, somewhere around 4037 on Wednesday session, as the bearish sentiment vanished ahead of the holiday in the last session. So upside was kept by the stronger ringgit right now. So I think despite the lack of movement, I think the underlying tone remain supportive due to the Indonesia's P50 Monday update, which kept the prices firmly above the psychological 4,000 level. So again, market closed yesterday. Trading will resume today, and do expect for a less volatility market following the market closure. However, looking at the long run, we still believe that the bearish sentiment is there, and we are still eyeing for the immediate support of 3,900 level, together with 3,830. Right, so let's stop here. Thanks everyone, and happy trading. See you again. Pass to Adam.
All right, so morning everyone. I will be presenting on behalf of Iftar for the auto sector results wrap. So results were largely in line for the auto sector for Sime Darby, while MBM came in above estimates, while Tanjung Motors missed forecast. A couple of stocks to watch out for in our view include Sime Darby and MBM Resources. For Sime Darby, for example, we are expecting a better quarter-on-quarter improvement coming from higher ASPs and lower cost for its industrial segment, while its China division remains a pain point. Meanwhile, for MBM Resources, we believe the stock will also record a stronger quarter-on-quarter performance, mainly driven by a seasonally stronger sales by Perodua. So looking forward, for 2026, we expect Perodua sales, to remain really robust, which should boost MBM's earnings, coupled with attractive yields of high single digits. So that is roughly the key highlights of the latest results wrap for the automotive sector. That's all from us today, everyone. Thank you for dialing in into RGB Morning Kappa at 8. We will see you next week on Monday at the same time and same place. Till then, take care and have a great trading day. Bye-bye.